Okay, so we have this question here. Given that log 6 to the base 3 is equal to a, and log 5 to the base 3 is equal to b here, express log 2 to the base 3 in terms of a here. Okay, so for a here, what we're going to do is we get the expression that we have here, which is log 6 to the base 3 is equal to a like this. So now, this 3 that we have here, this 6 that we have here is a product of two numbers, which are 2 and 3 here. So it's a 2 times 3 will give us 6 here. So therefore here we're going to have log of 2 times 3 to the base 3 here is equal to a like this. So now remember, we have a property for logs where we say if you have log of a times b here is simply equal to log a plus log b like this here. So we're going to apply this property here on the left hand side, this side here. So then we have log to the base 3 of 2 plus log 3 here to the base 3 equal to a like this. Then now we know that log 3 to the base 3 will just give us 1. So therefore here we have log 2 to the base 3 plus 1 is equal to a here. Now we need to write this in terms of, log 2 to the base 3 in terms of a. So what we simply just do here is we shift this one the other side, then we're going to have log 2 to the base 3 is equal to a minus 1 like this. So once we do this here, we've written log 2 to the base 3 equal to a minus 1 in terms of a here. So this is the solution for a there. Okay, let's go to b here. So let me just erase what we have on top this side. Okay, then for b, we're told to say otherwise find log 10 to the base 3 in terms of ab here. Okay, so what's going to happen here is that we know that b is simply equal to log to the base 6 of 5 like this. Now, in this case here, what we're going to do here is we're going to do a change of base in this case here. We try to take it to base 3 here. So meaning that here, let me do this. Okay, so the change of base here is simply going to be b here is equal to log to the base 3 of 5 divided by log to the base 3 of 6 here. So here we make log 5 to the base 3 the subject here because we want to use it later on in the question. So meaning that you're going to have log 5 the base 3 here. Okay, so we have a 3 there, will be equal to, when we do cross multiplication here, we're going to have b log 6 to the base 3 like this. Okay, so now remember when we're starting here, we're given to say that log 6 to the base 3 is equal to a here. So meaning that log, okay, let me just scroll down a bit. Okay, so meaning that log 5 to the base 3 here is equal to, where there's log 6 to the base 3, we put a here. So meaning that this side we're going to have ab like this here. Okay, so now our question says we need to express log 10 in terms of a and b there. So how do we express this in terms of a and b? So what we do here is we get log 10, we break it down. So here we're saying we have log 10 to the base 3 here in terms of ab. So let's put our, so this here is the same as log 5 by 2 here. So then here we have log. In this form here, we're going to have our 3 down here, 5 plus log 2 to the base 3 like this here. Now, remember, we have an expression for log 5 to the base 3, and also we have an expression for log 2 to the base 3 here. So we just get this expression and this that we have here, and we substitute in this case here. So meaning that here we're going to have AB plus, then where there's log 2 to the base 3, we put a minus 1 here. So we have plus a minus 1 like this here. So therefore here, you can just try to factor out a in this case. So we're going to have a